To speed up the repair booking process, you can now use self-check-in on a tablet that allows customers to input their data. Let's take a look at the process now. Log into your RepairDesk account and navigate to the Integrations page. Find Customer-Facing Display and click Connect by following the instructions in the Customer-Facing Display video. Now, head to the Self-Check-In Configurations tab. Turn on the toggle to enable self-check-in. You can customize the self-check-in screen according to your brand colors by setting the background color and text color. If you like, you can enable the options to display your store logo, date and time on the self-check-in screen. Now, customize the fields to display on the self-check-in form using the checkboxes. First name and last name are enabled and required by default. Enable fields like email address, mobile number, and source of referral. You can mark additional fields as required. Drag and drop the fields to set the order of display on the self-check-in screen. You can enable fields for self-check-in form use while purchasing trade-in devices. Click the Save Changes button to save the configuration setting. If you have multiple stores, a pop-up will ask if you want to replicate the settings to other stores. Select the stores and click Save Changes to apply the setting. Refresh or reopen the browser screen or facing screen to apply the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully configured and set up self-check-in. You can now use the self-check-in form for the following cases. While adding customer details from POS to create a repair job, and while adding seller details to purchase the trade-in device. Now, let's see how it works. Head to the point of sale screen, click on the three dots in the customer section, and select Self-Check-In. A pop-up will appear stating waiting for the customer to fill in their details. The self-check-in form will be displayed on the customer-facing screen. Customers will enter their first and last name and click Next. Customers can track all entered details on the left side in real time for accuracy. If you are in the European Union, the customer will be directed to a screen for GDPR compliance. Once done, the customer can click Submit to complete the self-check-in process, and a thank you message will be displayed. The customer will be automatically added to your account, and a pop-up stating customer has filled up self-check-in form will appear. You can safely close the pop-up. Now, proceed to book the repair job. The customer will be able to track complete order details based on your customer-facing display configurations and sign the terms and conditions to complete the check-in process. That concludes our demo of the self-check-in using customer-facing display. It's simple to use and provides a great in-store customer experience. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please email at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.